Hey everybody, it's Sarah for Chroma Yadi. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today I'm on the floor. I got three 24 by 36 canvases and they were just too big for my table. It's gonna take a lot of paint. Let's hope I don't run out. So I'm back because this did not go according to my plan. But on my channel, I'm all about sharing my triumphs and my failures, and this one was kind of a bust. As you can see, there's just not enough contrast happening. The paint was a little on the thinner side for doing a cup pour or a gallon pour is what I ended up having to do for these. And I did that on purpose because I was trying to get the colors to blend and create some of these really pretty greens, which it did, but it also drowned out some of the other colors that I wanted to be more dominant in the piece. I did have enough paint, but not enough to do what I really wanted to do, which was after I tilted the paint, I wanted to then be able to pour certain patches of color to create contrast and connecting design across all three canvases. So lessons learned on this one, but like I've said before, it's just paint. So I'm gonna start over. I got a new plan, so keep watching.